Bilang ka ng bilang ng inventory pero laging hindi tugma? Ba't ganun? Year-end na naman, madaming businesses ang sasamantalahin yung panahon na to do inventory count sa warehouse nila habang nagpuputukan yung fireworks display sa labas. Ang pinagtataka ko lang, regular naman ginagawa yung count, minsan monthly, yung iba weekly o kaya daily pa, depende sa laki ng business. Pero pag pinagbabangga na sa accounting records, bakit laging hindi nagtutugma? In my experience, dalawa lang yan. Either mali yung records kasi hindi nire-record lahat ng movements or mali yung count mismo kasi hindi sila nagbibilang ng tama. Ang lagi kong advice sa mga clients ko, the reliability of your records must be ensured every day. Dapat yung inventory count pang counter check lang, hindi pang adjust ng records. If treated the wrong way, this will affect not just the costing of the company but also the integrity of the financial records, which may lead to wrong financial decisions na makakaapekto sa kumpanya. This is the power of accounting automation. If you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.